Welcome back. Today is day 32. It's the 1st of August, which means it's exactly 1 month since we landed in Vancouver, and today is also last day here in San Francisco. That means we're going back tomorrow, and we still have 1 day to explore the city a little. Also, that means that this trip is soon coming to an end, but before that I want to have biked over the Golden Gate Bridge. Well, at least I hope so. We'll see about that a little bit later today.
Yeah. Thought I saw a butterfly. Butterfly. Thought I saw a butterfly. I thought I saw a butterfly yesterday. Came by fluttering, then it flew away. It had me reminiscing on the better days. Coming by on the fly to communicate.
So we're standing here at this big, huge ship, which they call Liberty ships, and apparently they were, the goal was to build them faster than the enemy could sink them, but never mention the crew of them. So if the goal was to build them faster than they sink them, that means they just spam in crews there, and they never mention them, which is kind of gross when you think about it.
Life couldn't have been easier, and now I'm back to the present day, and I just want to grab a time machine and run away. All these happy memories just passed by, all because I thought I saw a butterfly. Thought I saw a butterfly. Thought I saw a butterfly. Butterfly. I thought I saw a butterfly yesterday. Came by fluttering, then it flew away. It had me reminiscing on the better days. Coming by on the fly to communicate. Like, where did those childhood feelings go? Where I wasn't dealing with a bunch of animals.
Okay, that was the last day of San Francisco. We're heading out tomorrow. Our flight leaves at about 18 in the evening, so 6 p.m. I'm getting better at this. But until that we'll still have to check in the bikes and all that, so we'll be there quite early, so that won't count as another day. This was the last day today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.